Hey everyone, welcome to another video and another unboxing for this week. And so like I said, it's all unboxings this week. With 3 fragrances, and the last one for this week that I'm unboxing and first impressions of is another Mancera, and this one is Wave Musk. So to be a nice sort of a clean, sort of fresh, maybe like a fresh grass kind of scent. It's that kind of thing. And that's right down my street. Anything fresh and clean, especially if it's got a grassy or herbal vibe or something like that. It's right down my alley. So again, I did some research and looking at the sort of more slightly masculine sense, so either straight down unisex or heading masculine, or is masculine, from the house Mancera is my favourite place. My favourite brand as of right now. And did a bit of research looking at some. So I've got maybe another half a dozen or so that I want to try and pick up and have a go off. Black Gold being one of them. One's Cola Tonka, and the others I can't quite think of right now. So let's get this unboxed. Oh, and my manners, I hope you're all doing well and enjoying your fragrances. So last one for the week for an unboxing. I may have, depends if they arrive, may have a couple more unboxings next week, but we'll see. So Wave Musk in the box here. Just a normal box. Batch code on the bottom. Yeah, probably my favourite house right now when it comes to scents. I'm buying a lot of Manceras and enjoying them. Again, this is about my 10th bottle of Mancera, and it'll be my 6th that I've kept, or be keeping, hopefully anyway, if it's nice. So, here's a bottle, nice gold look to this one. It's all gold, even the juices are a slightly goldy colour. Very nice. So, testing a lot of my skin today. So, yeah, come down here, under my arm. So, first impressions. Got to spray a fair bit, haven't you? So, yeah, it's got like a fresh vetiver. Oh, is that like a? I think that's like a lemon, and it smells a similar lemon in Lemon Lime from the same brand. So an authentic sort of realistic tart kind of lemon feel to it. Sprayed a bit more on the as well. Oof, yeah, so there's definitely like it says, there's a musk to this. Again, a cleaner musk, although not super clean. It's got a bit of a bite to it. Or maybe that's the a bit of the vetiver. Well, I'm assuming it's vetiver. And this isn't the super clean one, but it's not the dirty vetiver. It's sort of in between. Yeah, and there is some resemblance to sort of just cooked kind of grass. But right now, more of the vetiver and the musks. So Wave Musk. Don't know about wave, it didn't come across aquatic or salty or watery. Just come across a little lighter, and it is opening up a bit on the skin, and of course it'll open up a bit more as you wear it down the bottle. But yeah, first impressions. It's a lighter one. It's got the musk in this again isn't like dirty, it's not clean, it's sort of in between. The musk in this at the moment, mixing with this slightly dirty vetiver, but not really. Reminded me of like hot skin. So if you've been, say, in the summer by the beach or something, and you get a smell of like a hot, say sweaty, but not in a bad way. Like you get that hot skin kind of smell. It's got that with a touch of that sort of lemon from Lemon Lime, from same brand, like I said, but not as pronounced as lemon lime. There's a bit of that in it. Definitely musk heavy. I would say it's a musk heavy fragrance. Again, a little bit of that sort of slight greenness to it. So this one smells a little complex for the type of one it is. There's a fair bit going on. It's bouncing around in my nose. You can tell by I'm thinking slightly grassy, but then a little bit quite musky. Then a bit of this sort of a vetiver feel. Then there's the lemon from lemon lime in here, but only just it's there, but it's not pronounced. But yeah, nice. It'll be a nice one for the summer. I think this one might need a bit of heat on the skin for it to push, but it's definitely something that I'm probably going to enjoy since it is summer. Starting of August now, so hopefully the weather will kick in a little bit and make it nice and warm. I can sort of test these particular ones out, ones like this. So first impressions, smells okay. Yeah. Out of all the ones this week, I would say it's the excuse me, the least impressive of them all, but I still like it. So it's definitely one I'm still going to keep and enjoy. But it needs more testing, more proper wearings, especially around the neck and all that, so I can smell it all day. I usually spray a bit on clothes. Yeah, so it's almost like a more fresher version of lemon lime is where I'm going with this. Lemon lime from the same house, but not as in your face with the lime, and a little lighter and easier to wear. That's how it's sort of coming across as of right now, to put it a little bit more simply. So anybody out there has used or have got or tried Wave Musk, leave a comment section below. What do you think? Any of you might want to try this or whatever it will be, leave a comment in the comment section. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, really help me out, and see you again soon on the next one.